I am very fortunate to be able to have the opportunity to be able to dyno tune and test a lot of products. And this little '01 Chevy is actually a really cool little upgrade they did. I want to share what they did and the results with you. This is a really nice little street truck. You can see they've done a bunch of body mods to it and painted it. It is an '01 Chevy pickup and it is a low mile truck. Now, the only thing that really is done to the powertrain in it is it has a true dual exhaust, fully aftermarket, and it has some quiet mufflers on it. It has the 5.3 in it, and what I am doing today is actually tuning for the camshaft. Now, the camshaft in this, I've used in other vehicles, and I really like it. It is a Tooley Racing LS truck V3 stage 2 cam. And it is amazing. Right from the bottom end all the way through, this thing makes more torque and horsepower. And the nice thing about this camshaft is you don't need a converter. It also has a really neat idle. And when we get it off the dyno, we'll take a listen to see what that sounds like. Well, after getting it dialed in, we got some really nice numbers, probably more than I expected. So got a nice graph. And we ended up with 344.2 horsepower and 346.6. Now this truck has a 4L60 tranny in it, so hopefully that lives with that kind of power. And yeah. Well, this little red pickup sounds great with that cam in it. And yeah, just sweet. This thing is gonna be so cool pulling in a parking lot. Well, it's another camshaft video, but if you're trying to decide what you would want to put in your truck that you don't have to pull a try do a converter, this definitely would be a camshaft that I would pick. Made lots of power, tons of torque. I can't even believe the torque curve on it. So if you ever have any other cam experience or other camshafts you would suggest, throw that in the comments. And if you don't mind, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.